Right, so many people have asked me this question, and I think this is the right time to attend to that particular question. And what's that question? The question is that, can I register my business name by myself? Can I register my company by myself? Can I finish the registration up by myself without the help of any agent or anybody or any lawyer to help me complete my registration? The simple answer is this: simple, yes, you can. But the major thing to consider is that, number one, you are going to be taking a lot of time to go through the process, especially if you're a novice. The truth is that I've been able to teach so many people to register their businesses with my free videos online. And even with those people, I've also noticed a lot of mistakes after the registration and during the registration, especially for those that end up reaching out to me to help them look into the registration. And the truth is that if you want a perfect job done, you might need the you might need someone who has his area of specialty in that particular region, or that place of registration. You need someone who knows what they are doing, who have registered many businesses before, who have registered the kind of business you are registering before now. I believe you understand the point. So it's very important, depending on how perfect and how professional you want your business registration to come out. You need someone who has an experience. Now, in fact, I'm not talking about giving it to an agent. There are some agents that they are actually just starting up, and they are trying to look for businesses or registrations they can use to learn how to register. No, I'm not disputing that. But the fact is that there are some times that you need someone who is an expert, who knows what they are doing, to give your registration to help you handle them. And you can register a business by yourself. I've made free videos. In fact, I train people on how to register. There's my course. I will drop the link to one of my courses on how you can carry out business registration by yourself. It's just 10K. When you go through the course, you'll be able to register a business by yourself. Aside that, even after going through that kind of training, there are some kind of businesses you want to register. I will not advise you to register it by yourself. I've seen situations where I want to carry out the registration. I have to carry out consultation to somebody I know is into the registration long before myself, because of the peculiarity of the kind of registration. There are some registrations that require a higher minimum share capital, and that minimum share capital needs a lot of due diligence. The nature of business or the business object needs to be strict. The description of the business needs to be as strict as possible. And now that CAC has even changed the whole interface of everything, you might not even know how to navigate your way around it. And if not for the little content I've been able to make, some people who don't have known how to carry out registration on this new platform. So the best thing, or the best option I'm telling you right now, is that reach out to me now if you want to register your business. It's as simple as that, so that you will not fall into a lot of issues. I've seen situations whereby some people, when I tell them the cost of registration, they know it's too much, it's too this, it's too that. I say, no problem, that's fine. You're free to make your decision. But at the end of the day, after 3 days, 4 days, a week, they come back having a lot of complaints. They have complicated the issues. They made mistake in the name reservation, and now it is time to register the company. It has now made the issue worse than it was before. In essence, I want you to consider reaching out to us right now. My WhatsApp will be in the DM below, so that we can help you carry out that registration that is special to you. You don't want to waste money wasting time, and you don't even want to waste time, especially if you are pressed for time, right? If you need your registration to be out in a particular period of time, you are pressed for time, reach out to us. Let's help you get that registration done within the limited time that you have. My name is Ezekiel. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.